We're talking about COVID numbers, and as they go up, people are getting more concerned about the potential exposure at work. Here at Fox 4, we've also received several calls from people concerned that their businesses aren't taking the virus seriously.
Our colleague Rob Manch has been speaking with one of these folks. He's live in Cape Coral right now to explain what you can do. Rob?
Well, several people right here in Cape Coral have reached out to us saying they feel like they're putting themselves at risk just by going to work. One of those people agreed to speak with me today anonymously so that I could try to help him figure out what his options are. That man says he takes precautions himself, like wearing a mask, but he says his business doesn't require it.
Masks were seldom used in the store. I wear one, as do certain other people, but it was not required of the clients who came into the premises, so I didn't feel comfortable with that.
Employment attorney Ryan Barrick tells me if you're facing problems like this at work, here in Florida, a lawsuit isn't the answer.
Employers have an almost complete immunity from suit by their employees because Florida has said anything that goes on in the workplace associated with an injury or an illness, we're going to say that your remedy for that is generally the workers' compensation system.
But there's one problem. Workman's comp only applies to employees, not independent contractors.
As a 1099 independent, you have to get your own insurance usually, which I don't have. I am uninsured. I can't afford it.
Barrick says in that case, your only alternative is the Occupational Health and Safety Administration, but it's hit or miss.
Unfortunately, during the pandemic, OSHA has not been as public and as out there as we would have liked.
According to the Center for Public Integrity, OSHA inspections have dropped 2/3 during the pandemic. The man I spoke with says he just hopes employers start to recognize the danger is real.
It's not being taken very seriously, and as I believe we've crossed 280,000 deaths in this country, it needs to be taken more seriously.
And right now in Congress, men and women are debating a bill for a stimulus that would include a company liability shield against COVID-19 lawsuits. But Barrick tells me it's not going to have too much effect here in Florida because of how the state's laws work. In Cape Coral, Rob Manch, Fox 4.